Welcome back everyone! Today I'm making mini egg New York City cookies. These cookies are a lovely thick and chunky New York style cookie packed with chocolate chips and mini eggs. Okay folks, let's start baking. The first thing we need to do is place room temperature butter in a medium sized bowl. Add in light brown soft sugar, mix together until the mixture is nice and creamy. Add in an egg while beating and then add the vanilla extract and mix again until fully combined. When fully mixed in, we can add in the dry ingredients. We're adding plain flour, bicarbonate of soda, salt and baking powder. Mix again until your mixture starts to come together just like this. Add the chocolate chips. If you want to use white chocolate chips, you can use them either, and the chopped mini eggs. I find it easier to get the cookie dough together by using my hands. Now let's get this mixture into dough balls. This mix will make 8 large cookies and each of them weighs about 110 grams each. Place 4 mini eggs on top of each of the dough balls. These need to go into the fridge or freezer for at least 1 hour before baking at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. When baked, allow to cool on the tray for at least 30 minutes. These are best eaten on the day you make them, but you can revive them by popping them in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds or in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Now these are the best New York style cookies, huge and chunky and so scrummy. Hope you enjoyed this mini egg New York style cookie video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking everyone. Bye bye.
Scrummy!
I also make these cookies with M&Ms and Smarties if you can't get your hands on mini eggs.